What is Git? In this presentation, we will explore what Git is, how it works, and why it is an essential tool for software development and project management. Git is a distributed version control system that helps you keep track of changes in your files, collaborate with others, and manage your project's history. It was created by Linus Torvalds, the creator of the Linux operating system, and has become a widely adopted tool in the software development community. Version control systems, or VCS, are tools that help you manage changes to your files over time. With a VCS, you can track changes to your files, revert to previous versions if needed, collaborate with others on the same project, and merge changes from different contributors. Git is a type of VCS called a distributed version control system, which means that each user has a full copy of the project's history on their local machine, making it easier to work offline and collaborate with others. Let's dive into some of the key concepts in Git. A repository is a directory where your project files are stored, along with their version history. A commit is a snapshot of your project at a specific point in time with a unique identifier and a commit message. Branches allow you to work on different features or bug fixes without affecting the main code base, and merging is the process of combining changes from one branch into another. Finally, a remote is a shared repository, often hosted on a platform like GitHub, where you can push your local changes and pull changes from others. The typical Git workflow involves several steps. First, you initialize a repository by creating a new one or cloning an existing one. Then you make changes to your files, add them to the staging area, and create a new commit with a descriptive message. Next, you can push your local commits to a remote repository, such as GitHub, and pull the latest changes from the remote. Finally, you can merge branches to combine changes from different features or bug fixes. Git provides a variety of commands that you can use to manage your project's version control. Some of the most common commands include git init to initialize a new repository, git clone to copy an existing repository, git add to stage changes, git commit to create a new commit, git push to upload your local commits to a remote repository, and git pull to download the latest changes from a remote repository. You can also use commands like git branch to manage branches, git merge to combine changes, git status to check the current status of your repository, and git log to view the commit history. Git offers several key benefits that make it a powerful version control system. First, it is a distributed system, which means that each user has a full copy of the project's history on their local machine. This makes it easier to work offline and collaborate with others. Git also provides powerful branching and merging capabilities, allowing you to easily create and merge branches to work on different features or bug fixes. Additionally, Git provides excellent traceability, as every change is tracked, allowing you to see who made what changes and when. Git's collaborative features enable multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously and merge their changes. Finally, Git is a highly flexible tool that can be used for a wide range of projects, from small personal projects to large-scale enterprise applications. In summary, Git is a distributed version control system that helps you manage changes to your files, collaborate with others, and maintain a project's history. We covered the key concepts in Git, including repositories, commits, branches, merging, and remotes. We also walk through the typical Git workflow, from initializing a repository to making changes, staging and committing those changes, and pushing or pulling from a remote repository. Additionally, we discussed the various Git commands that you can use to manage your project's version control, such as git init, git add, git commit, git push, and git pull. Finally, we highlighted the benefits of using Git, including its distributed nature, powerful branching and merging capabilities, traceability, collaboration features, and overall flexibility.